In this video, I'm going to show how I rebuild the damaged clip on this GT Falcon fog light bezel. You may have seen in a previous video where I took this part off the car and 3D scanned it. The next step for me is to see if I can rebuild this damaged clip here, and also this damaged clip here. Using the RTX Studio software, I was able to create a plane along this bottom face of this clip here, and from that plane, that's where I intend to rebuild this clip. I'm thinking perhaps I might be able to replicate this shape. I'll start out by doing a new sketch, and I'll use the line tool to create the base of that shape. I'm going to use the spline tool here to try and recreate that curve. Can extrude that. That's not worked, so I'll just eyeball it. 0.5 looks about right. Next, I'm going to sketch this side profile here, and I'll extrude that. What I'm doing here is creating a plane directly in between those two planes that I brought in off the RTX Studio drawing. So now I've got a rebuilt version of that clip on the bottom there as well. Looking towards my next video in this series, in this challenge, where I'll be 3D printing this part and testing its fit back onto the car. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later.